Hello friends, welcome to English learning channel, English Vocabs. Today, we are going to learn my daily routine. Hello everyone, and judges, thank you for listening. Today, I'm excited to share with you what my typical day looks like. It's full of fun, learning, and adventure. My day starts in the morning when the sun says hello. I wake up and jump out of bed because I can't wait to see what the day has in store for me. After a quick wash and brushing my teeth, it's time for breakfast. I love breakfast because it gives me the energy I need for the day's adventures. Then it's time for school. Learning is so much fun, and I get to see all my friends and teachers. We read stories, solve math problems, and explore exciting subjects. School is where I discover new things every day. After school, I have some playtime. Playing is super important. I love running around, playing games, and using my imagination. I'm always making up new stories and going on make-believe adventures with my friends. When it's time for dinner, I eat all my vegetables because they help me grow big and strong. And I can't forget about dessert. A little treat is always fun. After dinner, I spend time with my family. We talk, laugh, and share stories about our day. It's a time for bonding and making memories together. Before bedtime, I like to read a bedtime story. It's a special time when I can explore magical worlds in books. It also helps me relax and get ready for a good night's sleep. So, that's my daily routine, full of learning, playing, and spending time with family. Every day is a new adventure, and I can't wait to see what's in store tomorrow. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to hear about the routines of my fellow young friends in this competition. If you like my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.